the biggest questions that I get is what affects blood glucose levels. Now, of course, these are individuals, especially that have been indicated that blood glucose levels are higher than recommended. And for that reason, now we need to be more careful on how often our blood glucose levels are rising and causing large fluctuations in our blood. And those are the things that can really wear out the body and make it work over. In fact, there's up to 40 factors that can affect your blood glucose levels. However, one of the most common causes or the top reasons why our blood glucose levels might rise will be anything from food, of course, specifically carbohydrate-containing foods. It can be stress, and from stress, there's even another umbrella. It can be stress related to physical or emotional. Stress of any level is the most common cause, including sickness or surgery, which are other forms of stress. There's other factors like medications, just being careful on how we are living our lives, navigating through challenges, how much rest we're getting, how we're nourishing our body. Being aware of these behaviors can really help bring and shine light on things that might be affecting your blood glucose, to be open to making adjustments as needed in order to prevent any form of complications.